Hello students, welcome to All Force e-learning. Again we are going to make a discussion over one more concept related to reflection of light. Finding speed of image formed by a plane mirror. Here the speed of image can be found by two methods. Method number one by vectors, by using vectors, and number two by the general method. The general method in which we are doing the problem, for which we take the support of basic concepts, already we discussed earlier. Now here, this is one more concept by which we derive the formula. Those formulas are used to solve the problems with vector notations. Okay? So let us consider here a plane mirror. So that plane mirror is keeping along y direction. And this is x-axis, x and y-axis. And a plane mirror is keeping along y-axis. Okay? Now why you are taking this plane mirror and object is keeping on one side, image on another side? We are taking a derivation to attain the suitable equations. Those equations are used to solve the problems related to finding speed of image by the plane mirror in terms of vectors, right? So this is plane mirror, and object is keeping at certain height y0 above the x-axis, and its corresponding image will be formed on another side. Let it be height of image yi. This is y0, this is yi. This is x0, distance of object from the plane mirror and distance of image from the plane mirror. Right? So this data we are taking in terms of coordinates. X coordinate of object with respect to mirror x0, and also y0 is y coordinate of object. See here, this is x coordinate of object, this is y coordinate of object with reference to the mirror, and similarly xi, this is xi, and this is yi. So xi and yi, these are the x and y coordinates of image with respect to mirror. But I will give once again. The point is, wherever you are taking the formulas related to finding the speed of image with respect to mirror, we should consider this with respect to mirror. So we are taking with respect to mirror, the equations are derived. This is very, very important. Okay. Now in this method especially, always we focus on the point that with respect to mirror, we are deriving the formula. Right? So go for first one. Xi is equal to minus x0. So differentiating this with respect to time, d by dt of xi is equal to minus d by dt of x0. So this is derived, differentiated, and finally you are attaining the formula speed of image with respect to mirror perpendicular direction, means perpendicular to plane of the mirror, and that equal to minus of speed of image, speed of object with respect to mirror. And go for another relation, that taking y coordinates, yi is equal to y0. So here on both the sides we are taking positive y. This is along the positive y, and this is also along the positive y, means it is positive direction of y-axis, it is also in positive direction of y-axis. Therefore, we are taking both are positive. But here, so this is object is keeping on one side, that is positive x-axis, and the corresponding image formed on another side, negative x-axis. Therefore, one is positive, other one is negative. Here both are positive. And differentiate them, you are getting speed of image with respect to mirror is equal to speed of object with respect to mirror. This is in the direction parallel to plane of the mirror. So finally we are attaining the two equations. One is the speed of image with respect to mirror in the direction perpendicular to plane of the mirror, and this is speed of image with respect to mirror in the direction parallel to plane of the mirror. So these are the two equations which we are going to use to solve the problems. Let us move on some problems how we can solve by using these equations. Okay, right. So let us move on. Okay, let us move to discuss a problem. How do you find the speed of image in a plane mirror whenever the object is approaching to plane mirror? See, in this case, find the speed of image. Number 1, with respect to the mirror. Number 2, with respect to ground. And number 3, with respect to object. There are 3 questions. For them, we are using the equations which are derived just now. Go for the first question, with respect to mirror. So why we are starting with this question? Actually, the fundamental formula is derived with respect to mirror. Fundamental formula which is derived with respect to the mirror. Therefore, we start with respect to mirror. Now here, speed of image with respect to mirror is, there are two components. One is perpendicular to the plane of the mirror, other one is parallel to plane of the mirror. So that first of all, whatever the data given, that is clearly so noted down. Speed of image, speed of object with respect to ground, perpendicular direction. This is object speed 10I in terms of vectors. Speed of mirror with respect to ground, that is in the direction perpendicular to the plane of the mirror, minus 2I. Now here, parallel direction, that is parallel to plane of the mirror, object speed. So object is not moving parallel to plane of the mirror, it is 0. So mirror itself is not moving parallel to its plane, that is also 0. Therefore, there is no parallel component for object and also no parallel component for mirror. Now, go for first question. Speed of image with respect to mirror equal to minus speed of object with respect to mirror. So this formula derived just now. So this is relative velocity, keep in our mind. So object with respect to mirror means speed of the object with a reference to mirror. Therefore, it is a relative velocity, speed of object with ground, absolute minus speed of mirror with ground. So, relative velocity formula is taken into account. Then their values are substituted over here, minus object with ground, that is 10I substituted, particularly here the perpendicular component. So perpendicular components are taken into account, minus of minus 2I, then substituting these values and simplifying, you will get minus 12I. So this is speed of image with respect to mirror in the direction perpendicular to plane, that is perpendicular component. Now go for a parallel component, speed of image with respect to mirror. Again, speed of object with mirror in parallel direction, it is a relative velocity. Again, object with ground minus mirror with ground, and object with ground and mirror with ground both are zeros. Therefore, 0 minus 0, 0. Then finally, speed of image with respect to mirror, that equal to one is perpendicular component, other one is parallel component. Perpendicular component already we obtained that minus 12I, and parallel component is 0. Finally, speed of image with respect to mirror minus 12. This is final answer. Okay. So this is the answer for speed of image with respect to the mirror. First question answer is over. And go for the second one. Speed of image with respect to ground. How do you find the same formula, speed of image with respect to mirror? Its formula is written here, I with respect to mirror. Speed of image with ground and minus mirror with ground, speed of image with ground. So that is we calculate this one, and this negative value taken this side and it becomes positive. Therefore speed of image with respect to mirror plus speed of mirror with ground. So image with mirror, how much? Minus 12i plus here mirror with ground it is minus 2i. Put here minus 2i, which leads to minus 14i. So it's shown. This is image speed with respect to ground over. The next third one is speed of image with respect to object. Again go for relative velocity formula. Speed of image with respect to object equal to speed of image with ground minus object with ground. See here, image and object, image minus object, both are with respect to ground absolute values. Now substitute the values over here. Image with ground. See here, calculated minus 14i, and object with ground. Object with ground is how much? 10i minus 10i, which gives us minus 24i. This is final answer. So there are three questions. Their corresponding answers are calculated. So one is with respect to mirror, that minus 12i, and with respect to ground, that is minus 14i, and with respect to object, that is minus 24i. So this can also be calculated or solved by another method. That method is general method. The general method is already discussed in previous lecture, that based on the fundamentals, the fundamental points related to that formula is a very simple. I would like to explain that whenever a plane mirror is moving with a certain speed, and corresponding image will be moving with a speed of 2v, and object is moving with certain speed v0, and image will also move with the same speed v0. Therefore, as a whole, speed of the image becomes 2v plus v0. So these conditions are taken with a reference to ground, keep in our mind. So that is the big difference between vector method and the general method. In vector method we are taking the reference that mirror, and in general method we are taking the reference ground. So this clarity should have a student, otherwise he can't get the proper answers while solving the problem in vector method and also solving the problem in general method. So general method we can verify that how we are getting these answers, whether they are matching with these answers or not. Let us see here. So mirror is moving with a speed of 2 meter per second. Okay. So object is moving with a speed of how much? 10 meter per second. Right? Now, for our convenience, let us imagine this object is stationary. The mirror alone is approaching to the stationary object. Now in this case, according to our fundamental, when the mirror is moving with 2 meter per second and corresponding image moves how much? With double the velocity of the mirror, 4 meter per second. Okay, this is 4. Now, object is moving with a velocity 10 meter per second. Therefore, as it is the same speed with which the image moves, that is 10. Overall, finally 4 plus 10, which leads to speed of image with respect to ground. Why? Because this is the general method. The general method we are taking the consideration of ground as reference. Therefore, this is taking with reference to ground. Image with respect to ground is equal to 4 plus 10, which gives 14. Vectorially, which can also be given that minus I cap. So final answer is minus 14i. This is with respect to ground. So once we check up this vector method here with respect to ground, minus 14i. So it is verified by the general method. And go for two more questions with respect to ground and with respect to object. So with respect to ground, see here, with respect to mirror and with respect to object. With respect to mirror, the mirror is moving with a speed of 2 meter per second and image moving with a speed of 14 meter per second. Now, related to each other, both are in the same direction. Therefore, speed of image with respect to mirror is equal to 14 minus 2, which gives us 12. Of course, this 12 is the speed of the image with respect to mirror, which is moving along negative direction of x-axis. Therefore, minus I graph. So, same answer is obtained in case of vector method. Okay, go for third question. So, speed of image with respect to object. Now, object is moving with a speed of 10 meter per second and image is moving with a velocity of 14 meter per second. Now, they are moving in opposite direction related to each other. Image with respect to object equal to 10 plus 14, which gives 24 meter per second. Of course, in vector notations, that is minus 24i. We can verify by the vector method, it is minus 24i. The same answer we obtained by the general method. Of course, we can get the answers within the short way by using the general method, but it is not always suitable to solve the problem, and this is suitable for a complicated problem is given. Of course, for a simple problem, we can get by the general method easily within 3 or 4 steps. Okay, this makes the big difference between these two methods. Okay, let us move on another problem. Okay, there is a plane mirror and another one is object. A plane mirror is moving with a speed of 2 meter per second and the object is moving with a speed of 10 meter per second and which is moving at certain inclination 37 degree with horizontal. Now in this case, again there are 3 questions raised. Question number 1, speed of image with respect to mirror and with respect to ground and with respect to object. Okay, again, whatever the method we used earlier for previous problem, again we go through the same way. Let us find one by one, right? So here first we have to take the data. The speed of mirror with respect to ground is equal to how much? This minus 2i. Speed of object with respect to ground, this is giving, by resolving them, 10 cos 37, which is cos 37 is 4 by 5, which gives 8 meter per second, and this side is 6 meter per second. Therefore, this is in turn, again we are taking the diagram, 2 meter per second. Here object components are, one is 8 meter per second, this is 6 meter per second, right? So vectorially here speed of mirror with respect to object is with respect to ground is minus 2i. Speed of object with respect to ground is equal to 8i plus 6j. Of course, this is perpendicular component and this is parallel component. There is no parallel component for the mirror. Speed of mirror with respect to ground parallel component is 0. So this is total data related to this problem. Now, go for first question. Speed of image with respect to mirror, that equal to minus speed of object with respect to mirror perpendicular component. Right? So we can write this relative velocity object with ground minus mirror with ground perpendicular components. substitute the values. Object with ground perpendicular component. Object with ground perpendicular 8i minus 8i minus mirror with ground. Mirror with ground is minus 2i. Minus 2i. See once again, this is object with ground perpendicular component is 8i and this is mirror with ground minus 2i. So in the formula 8i minus in the formula, and again mirror with the ground speed is minus 2i. Therefore simplify this, minus 10i. This is perpendicular component. Similarly, speed of image with respect to mirror parallel component. For this again formula, speed of object with respect to mirror, which is relative velocity object with ground minus mirror with ground parallel component, and substitute the values here. Object with ground parallel component is 0. Sorry, object with ground parallel 6j minus mirror with ground, that is 0. You will get 6j. And finally, speed of image with respect to mirror. There are two components. One is perpendicular component, that is x component, and parallel component, that is y component. Therefore, finally, answer is 10i plus 6j. Over. So for first question, answer is minus 10i plus 6j. And go for second question. Second one, speed of image with respect to mirror. Just we consider this same formula, speed of image with respect to mirror directly. So relative velocity is taken into account. Image with ground minus mirror with ground. Okay. Image with ground, we have to find this value, and this value shift towards this side and it becomes positive. Image with mirror plus mirror with ground. Okay. Now image with mirror already calculated over here, minus 10i plus 6j. Mirror with ground, that is minus 2i. And as a whole, by simplifying, minus 12i plus 6j. This is second question. Answer is obtained for the second question. And third one remains, that speed of image with respect to object. Speed of image with respect to object. Yeah. So we are going to solve the third question, that with respect to object. Speed of image with respect to object equal to speed of image with ground minus speed of object with ground. Then image with ground already we have its answer, minus 12i plus 6j, and straight away substitute over here. Object with ground is, object with ground already is there, 8i plus 6j, substituting over here. So 6j minus 6j gets cancelled. You will get minus 20 I cap. So in this way we will get 3 answers corresponding to whatever the question was given. Next, let us move on general method, by which again we are obtaining the same answers. Whether they are correct or not, we can verify by using the general methods. Okay, the same problem that by the general method. So here the speed of image with respect to ground already I mentioned earlier. Now again I emphasize the same point. So here, while solving the problem, we should start with speed of image with respect to ground, because the basic concepts is given same. Therefore, here speed of image with respect to ground, that the mirror is moving with a speed of 2 meters per second, and corresponding image is moves with double the speed of the mirror. For certain time, this is object is keeping stationary. Then, so we should get 8 plus 4, 12, and this is 6. So similarly, if object is moving in the direction perpendicular to the plane of the mirror, 8 meter per second is the speed, this is 8 and this is a 12. So here this is 12I plus 6j, 12I plus 6j. This is 4 meter per second because of motion of the mirror, and this is 8 as it is 8 meter per second will add up. So which is giving x component, that is minus 12I, and y component is plus 6j. So this is speed of image with respect to ground. So verify this with this answer already calculated in terms of vectors. And the second question, so whenever the mirror is, suppose here the speed of image with respect to mirror speed is 2, and already image speed is calculated, that is 12 and 6. Here 12 and minus both are in the same direction, therefore 12 minus 2, which is giving 10, and this is 6. So 10 in along negative x axis, therefore minus 10I plus 6j. The same answer we obtained in case of vector method. And the third one is speed of image with respect to object. So here image with respect to ground already we calculated, that is 12 and 6 vertical component. So here object is 8 and 6. Now relative to each other, both are in y direction having same speed, with respect to each other they gets cancelled. Now in perpendicular direction both are approaching to each other, relative velocity they will add up, therefore 12 plus 8 which gives 20I. So that is verified with answer obtained in vector method. So therefore this is general method and that is vector method. The answers are verified. In both the methods we are getting proper answers. Okay, then next let us move on another problem.